Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a few minutes. In this video, we're going to show you how to select and loop over the selection of Lamina connectors. I have in front of you a very simple instance of Fidelity Pointwise with a few connectors, domains, and one block in there. In our case, we're interested in selecting only Lamina connectors. Those are connectors that are being used by either one domain or zero domains. In our case, all these connectors right here, all those connectors over there, essentially all those are being used, each one of them by two domains. So they are not Lamina, they're indeed manifold connectors. I'm interested in these particular connectors right here. Those are my Lamina connectors because each one of them is again used by either one domain or zero domains. If you want to visualize that a little bit better, I can select all my connectors and render their color by topology, and you can see all the red connectors in there are indeed the Lamina connectors that I'm interested in. Now, in this video, I want to show you how you can actually select. Obviously, in this case, it's very simple. I can do a selection box and done. I have selected all my Lamina connectors, but you can actually have problems where you have a more complex mesh. What do you do in that particular case? So the first thing that I would do is to create an appropriate selection mask. So let's go ahead and go to select mask. And in particular, I'm going to expand the connectors right here, and I'm interested only on the Lamina connectors. So domain usage, either 0 or 1. Another thing I can do is to save my mask, and I'm going to put in here Lamina connectors. Click OK. My new mask has been saved. You can actually go a step further and add it to your little toolbox right here. And there you go. Now I have my new selection mask over there. So if everything is off, I can click that, and I'm currently can see that my new mask is currently activated. So I can do Control A, and you can see based on that new selection mask that I created, I'm selecting only, I'm going to do it again, Control A, I'm selecting only those connectors that are Lamina. I can also do a selection box, and it's going to give me the same result. Now, how do you actually loop over that selection? In this case, they're very easy to see those connectors, but again, in more complex geometries, it might not be so obvious. So once the connectors are selected, what you can do is open the cycle selection view tool right here, and you can simply make sure that you move the rotation point if you want to, and you can simply cycle through those connectors that have been selected. And that is how you can actually select Lamina connectors, create your own mask for that selection, and also cycle through the selection. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.